attention please because we are gonna have a very, very special message from Mommy, Daddy, and the birthday boy Zeus. Let's give them a big round of applause.